Hey guys, so I'm back with another video, and as usual my camera is dying because you know I don't know. But anyways, today I'm going to be showing you some contact lenses that I received from Olens. You know, this is one of those companies that I do enjoy their lenses. They're always comfy and I have really no issues out of their lenses. So I have two colors that I'm going to show you, and this is a newly launched collection, or just a collection that I haven't seen on their website, but this is the Olens, let me get it right. It's the Olens Cherry Moon times Kirsh collection, and Kirsh is like a Korean fashion brand. They do clothing, and apparently they have little lip tints and velvet lip tints and things such as that, which I will show you. And I actually do have the lip tint on my lip, and this is in the color, I think it's called Playlist, and it's in the number 1, and this is the actual like lip tint. And I know they do have velvet, what are they called? They do have a Play by Velvet tint in some more different shades. So yeah, to get started, like I said, this is the Cherry Moon collection. I will show you what those what the box and all the packaging looks like somewhere in this video, as well as the specifications and things such as that. I do have two colors. There's only two colors that I know of in this collection, and that is gray. It's Cherry Moon Gray and Cherry Moon Brown. Of course, right now I have in a Cherry Moon Brown. You might not be able to see it from this distance, but that is actually the pair that I'm wearing, and I have worn all day today at work with no issues. Like, y'all, these are comfy just like any other lens that Olens has. The graphic design isn't in your eyesight. The prescription is perfect. They didn't dry out. I didn't have any burning. They just felt normal. So yeah, like I said, this was the Cherry Moon times Kirsh, hope I'm pronouncing that right, blending collaboration. And their logo is the little cherries, which you'll see on a lot of the packaging that I'm going to show you today. So just to get started, like I said, I'm going to put the specifications on the screen, but these are monthly lenses. You do get a pair per box, and they do retail for $24. I'm looking on their website right now, and I'm trying to see what it goes up to. So it goes like normal from 0, which is no prescription at all the way up to a -8. And you can also add on the Kirsh kit, which I will show you a snippet of what that looks like. And if my video sucks, this is what that kit looks like. And in the inside, you will either get a velvet lip tint, or you will get the My Lip tint, I think is what it's called. But you'll get this and a little contact lens case. This is so cute, and that case is heavy duty. Like this is going to be my travel case from now on, and it's cute. The little cherries are cute. And also in that video, you should see the warming eye mask that I received as well. I have not tried this yet, but I will be trying that soon because I'm kind of interested in how that works and what it feels like to have a warming mask on your face. I'm used to cooling masks, but not warming masks. And that kit can be added on when you purchase your lenses for, I think, $6.90. Might as well say $7. So yeah, and you can actually choose what color lip tint you want. And also on their website, they do show you the many shades of those colors, so you can see what the color payoff is and what color you're actually choosing. So yeah, just to get in a few of the details, it says the Cherry Moon lens design. It features a subtle and unique new moon pattern with soft color gradation, complete. I'm guessing they're saying gradation. And you can complete your starry and teary eye styling. Kind of weird. I'm gonna post all this on the screen so y'all can see what I'm looking at. And then it says unique new moon graphic. Add a subtle new moon pattern to your eyes. Create your own starry and multi-dimensional eye styling. And 2, a romantic teary effect. And apparently it has gradiated 3 colors, like gradually blending into each other to create that teary effect on your eyes. And these are really cool because they do have like this really deep, it looks like a lumber ring if my camera will focus. But yeah, I love these on my skin tone. They're like a perfect, I consider these hazel. As far as I'm concerned, I wouldn't really, hazel is brown, but these are more of like a hazily brown color to me. But I've worn these all day and I have received compliments on these lenses. They do, I think they look pretty natural, but they do give you that extra pop and uniqueness to your look without being, you know, just crazy and out there. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna go on and show you how these lenses look. As usual, I have naturally dark brown eyes, so in this clip you're gonna see me with one of the cherry moon contacts in, which will be the cherry moon brown, and on the other eye I will have no lens, and then I'll also show you how they look in natural lighting as well. So just stay tuned. So this is the cherry moon brown color, and this is my natural eye color. And now I'm just going to go ahead on and pop in the other contact. And these are both of the lenses in natural lighting. In this eye, I have the cherry moon gray, and this is my natural eye color. Hopefully you can see it with the angle that I'm in. I find it hard to always get this eye. And now I'm just gonna go ahead on and pop in the other lens. And here are both contacts in the cherry moon gray. And this is in natural lighting as well. So that was how the lenses was looking. Either way, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Leave them in the comment section below. Also, be sure to check out my description box. I will list all the specifications, details. I will try to put the links for each of these products in there, as well as, if I did I just say pricing? As well as pricing. That'll be in there, and I'll try to put some recommendations for other lenses. I'm gonna try to update that list. I know I've been circulating the same list around, but I mean, you know, those are like my go-tos. So I'm gonna try to update that. So if y'all have any questions, please leave in the comment section below. If you have any suggestions on lenses, I'm still working on a couple of those suggestions. A couple of those lenses are still sold out, or I'm soaking them right now, especially my TTDI lenses. They have to soak, so those videos will be coming up soon. Just stay tuned. But anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you like this style of video, let me know in the comment section below as well, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.